Yo, what up? It's your boy Sam Lokes, and you're tuned into Cali Miguel's Bomb Gallery.
And the switch is working, you hear the tires chirping, bouncing up and down, make your ass steady lurking.
Alright guys, consecutive hops. Let's go, $700 up for grabs, consecutive hops. $700. I need somebody to bring me some tacos and tell me I'm pretty. I'm tired. It gotta be a girl. It gotta be a cute girl. My bad, I said it wrong. I need a cute girl to bring me some tacos and tell me I'm pretty. There you go. All right, we got Triggs. We got $2, baby. $700 on. We got $2. We got more guys. And we're going to keep going about 4 minutes. One more time. go be this. Yeah, see the picture, guys. Hey, Big Ron has the money. Alright, we're doing the consecutive half presentation and the money. We got Triggs, we got Nick on the trigger, and we got that 36 consecutive hop guy out there. Non-stop. Yeah, let's do this. $700 cash bomb, boy, Big Ron. Oh, they got the bell. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the bell. Check out the bell. How high? Monster Surf Club, right there, baby. So that was the one of the surprise. I didn't even know this surprise was coming up. So much Chango. He just told me that was a badass call too. Damn. Good job, fellas. These guys are brothers, like no others. They must definitely be full of hydraulic fluid, because you guys know what's up. Yeah, you guys killed it. My boy Nick, now we know why the wife is happy. He's killing it. That's a picture. Oh, motherfucker's like 30 pounds. Where you at? Show her the money.
When I gang over down to stay down for us,